Hello, this Lawson State Library tutorial was developed to assist students who are completing the argumentative essay for English 101. For this assignment, you should be locating articles in Opposing Viewpoints database and Academic OneFile. So, who am I? My name is Sabrina Dick, and I am your English librarian. I work with all of the English department faculty. If at any time after reviewing this tutorial you have any questions, I can be reached at my email sdyck@lawsonstate.edu, or you can call me in my office at 205-929-6398, and I will get with you as soon as possible. The overall objectives for this tutorial are as follows. I want students to be able to locate their research guide for English 101, as well as develop a research strategy to assist them with their research assignment, which is the argumentative essay. I also want students to be able to locate scholarly articles in Opposing Viewpoints and Academic OneFile databases. So, now that we reviewed the learning objectives, let's move into reviewing research tips and strategies to assist you with this assignment. Take a moment and let's imagine that you were asked to develop a research topic for a research assignment in your English 101 course. For your topic, you have settled on or decided to focus on social media and young adults. Once you have selected a topic, you will need to develop a research question to use in helping you do research. The research question is as follows. What are the effects of social media on young adults' body image? From this research question, you will need to identify your key terms. The key terms from your research question are as follows, as you can see in red: social media, young adults, and body image. Once you've identified your search terms, you will then need to identify synonyms or terms that mean the same thing as your search terms. Now that we've identified our search terms as social media, young adults, and body image, let's review the synonyms for these terms. As you know, with social media encompasses a number of platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Young adults, words that can mean the same thing are teenagers, adolescents, youth, minors, and for body image, appearance, reflection, and likeness. Now that you've identified your synonyms, let's move into looking at how to search the databases. For this example, we're going to be using Academic Search Premier. As you can see here, this is the interface for Academic Search Premier. You would need to enter each search term into a separate field, as you can see with the arrows. So, you would enter in the first search field social media, second young adults, and the third body image. Each search term is separated by a Boolean operator. A Boolean operator is simply a command that tells the database what to do with your search terms. So with the word "and," we're telling the database to search for social media and young adults and body image, scanning all of the materials or sources in the databases, which include images, articles, ebooks, and more, for any terms that have been used to describe a particular source, and return all entries that have the description social media, young adults, and body image in it. As you can see from this guide here, the word "and" helps you to narrow a search. Using the Boolean operator "or" will help you widen a search, and using the Boolean operator command "not" will narrow a search. Here is a concept graphic that will help you with understanding these Boolean operators. With "and," you can see you're telling the database to search two terms, as you can see here, Rogers and Hammerstein. Or by saying "or," you're telling the database to look for a term, for example, cats or dogs. So it will return more results. So it will broaden your search. And "not" will tell a database to not return any entries based on the term that you provided. So if you say Caribbean, not Cuba, they'll make sure they scan every article and resource that they have that is indexed in the database, making certain that the word Cuba is not included, and only return entries that have the word Caribbean or Caribbean in it. Now that we have gone over Boolean operators, let's move into searching the databases. So for your assignment, I've identified the two best databases to use, Academic OneFile and Opposing Viewpoints. You can access these two databases from two different source points from our library's website. I have provided you a handout that I will accompany this video that will be included in your course on how to find those two entry points through our library's database. Here's a screenshot of the front page of that handout. We will start from the Lawson State homepage and finding the tab that says Library Services, clicking on it, and it will bring you to the library's homepage. From the library's homepage, you can access our databases in two ways. One, from the right-hand corner, clicking on the tab that says Log into Databases here, or through your course guide for your course. Today, however, we're going to go through the entry point through the course guides. So if you would, click on Course Guides in the top right-hand corner, right below Log into Databases here tab on the library's website. Once you click on that tab, you will be brought to the home page for the library's LibGuides. The LibGuides, or course guides as we call them, are listed alphabetically by course name and number. So you would go through that listing, finding the E's, and below Emergency Medical Services, you will find a tab that is titled English 101, English Composition 1. Click on that tab. Once you've done so, it will bring you to the actual course guide homepage. From the course guide homepage, we have boxes that have databases listed for you. Simply click on the title of the database in order to access it. As you can see here, there is a box on your course guide titled Databases for Argumentative Persuasive Essay. In that box, you will find Opposing Viewpoints as well as Academic OneFile. We're going to start with reviewing Opposing Viewpoints. So simply click on the title for Opposing Viewpoints. Once you've done so, you'll be brought to the interface for that database. Okay? From the database, what I want you to do is simply click on Browse Issues. You can also use the advanced search feature as well, but for the sake of this example, we're going to browse issues. Under Browse Issues, there are more than 100 topics listed where you can find articles, videos, and viewpoint essays listed related to that topic. It's an alphabetized list and easy to search and navigate. We will be looking for social media because our topic pertains to social media. From that list in the S's, we locate social media. Simply click on social media from the listing, alphabetized listing. Once you've done so, you should be brought to an overview page for that particular topic. As you can see here, social media is listed with an overview. From the overview, you can find out background information on your topic, which can be very useful in helping you narrow your search. Right under the overview, you will find a grayed out box that will provide you with various different types of sources pertaining to your topic. As you can see in this screenshot, I have zoomed in on viewpoint essays and statistics. These two source types will be very helpful in helping you write your argumentative essay. Simply click on Viewpoints to start and read through the titles of the essays that were listed. Find titles that help to support your argument in your argumentative essay. As you can see, there are more than 200 viewpoint essays to go through. Let me show you a way to filter down your search. Right under the grayed out box under viewpoint essays, you will find a box that reads Search Within Results. Simply type in any key terms that will help you with narrowing your search results. As I said before, reading the overview of a topic will help you narrowing your results because you may be able to find names or even subjects that will help you with narrowing down your topic. So, under social media, since our topic is teenagers and we're focused on body image, we need to find only articles that discuss teenagers and body image. So, I simply put in within search within results, teenagers and body image to help narrow my results. Let's see how that helps us. From searching within feature, you can see by using those two search terms, body image and teenagers, we narrow our results quite significantly. We go from some 30 academic journal articles to 4, from 299 viewpoint essays to just simply 1. In order to access